Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to our house. The kids are here full of energy early in the morning.
Mama, can you help me to be
So why you break it up?
Because I want to start back from the first.
You're too funny. Say good morning to the faves.
Sarah.
Say good morning to the faves.
Good morning, Faith.
Sarah, come and say good morning.
Sarah, come and build
Say morning.
And Mama,
Say morning. Tyler,
police walk, please.
say morning, Sarah. You're just here exploring and don't want to take your morning nap. Sarah's here exploring and don't want to take her morning nap. I realize that she's slowly cutting out morning naps and just going straight to afternoon naps. Yeah, so that's where she's at right now. She wants to explore with her brother. Maybe if Tyler wasn't home, then she would have probably gone to nap. Look at them, two peas in a pod. They won't leave each other. Look at the two of them looking at me.
Sarah, come.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. I woke up this morning and I got my workout in. Workout was good. I'll show you guys that in a bit. But before I show you what I did for workout this morning, I just want to tell you guys about a little situation that some Jamaicans are having here in France. So basically, of course, it's a pandemic, the entire world knows. So there are a few Jamaicans here in France that is stuck here in France and can't go back home because of there's no flight and everything is shut down. So a few of those Jamaicans are, you know, having some little problems here and there. Whether they're students, whether they're here in some kind of program or whatever the case may be. So what happened is that there's a Jam in France, Jamaicans in France community, that they have a WhatsApp group, they have a Facebook group, they also have an Instagram group at Jam in France. And what this small organization is doing right now is trying to help those Jamaicans that are stuck here by helping them, whether by giving them groceries or helping them out with accommodation. Some of us that live here are taking in some of them and helping them by whatever means. So the community has created a GoFundMe page that money donated will assist those Jamaicans here that are stuck until this pandemic passes. So I'll leave a link in the description box and down below of the GoFundMe page. I am begging you guys to go and donate to help some of these Jamaicans. It doesn't really matter. It could be $1. It goes a long way. It's not easy to ask for help in a time like this. Yes, I know. But each one help one Jamaica. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys in advance for clicking on that GoFundMe page and donating. Every bit counts. I appreciate you guys. Anyway, I'll now show you guys my workout. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if it's your first time to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of the day. To take a nap? No, you're just gonna skip your morning naps these days and go straight to afternoon naps? Huh? Yes?
Red eye.
And her eyes red, you know. She wants to sleep, but she fighting it by any means.
Hi guys. Guess what I would like today? Haircut.
And why are you not at work?
It's a message to somebody that can hear me right now. I want a haircut. It's Friday, it's Labor Day, so no excuse. When she only can tell me, oh, but it's Labor Day, I mean, I want to work. Otherwise, let's see if she gets me what I want.
Somebody's crying for a haircut. So let's see if that's going to happen.
Tyler actually just give me a ticket, and that's gonna be an exercise for Babe and for all of you guys. So I'm gonna show you what is written on the piece of paper, and let's see who get it right.
Why are you jumping like that?
Let's see who get it right. I'm not sure you're gonna get it right. It's not easy.
So show the camera. Can you come? Let me see. He looks excited. What it is?
Can you see properly what is written in it? Hold on.
Wait. Tell her, stop moving. You're making the camera blurry. Okay. Never forget to
No, it's
please. Never forget to say please. That's what he wants to say.
You voice me.
Never, Tyler. Never. Never. And it's not 4. It's 4. 4. 4. Which 3 letters you hear in 4? 4. Exactly. Because he spell it the way he hears it.
No, but I mean, I didn't get it.
Really?
Yeah.
He spells it the way he hears it. But good job, Ty. You tried. You did well.
Okay. You have a ticket for misspelling, Tyler.
No.
What is it?
But that dangerous thing
Fish,
that I
sweet
would try
potato, and
is
broccoli.
very, very dangerous.
It tastes much better than what we used to use at Tyler.
It's very, very dangerous, the one that I will do next. Going outside. No, we're not going to ride that because there's coronavirus. Oh, instead of going outside, I can ride barbecue. Okay. Let's do the legs first. We're going to do 3 legs. And then something that looks like a plate.
Ça va là? Ça va tout danser.
Did you sleepy rat? It's a sleeper nose the ninja.
In the kitchen, cooking. I'm in the kitchen trying to whip up something for dinner, so that when dinner time comes, everybody can just eat. And for dinner, I am making just some beef mince. That's going to go in some tortilla cup. And that's what dinner gonna be tonight for me and Dave. And for Tyler, he can have the beef mince with some pasta. Dinner for Tyler, dinner for Babe and I. Tell Faves, my day has come to an end and it's time for me to go and take a bath. My stomach is full and go to bed. Tell them, look, up. Say night night, night night, night night, night night. Say mama, you're crazy. guys, that's where you wanted to say something.
Absolutely not.
You go.
No.
You guys, that's where I'll leave the vlog for today. Hopefully you guys will go over to Mel's kitchen to see that apple pie video that you guys just saw. The recipe will be over there and the method will be over there, the measurements and everything will be over there. So Mel's kitchen, go over to my food channel to catch that apple pie video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. The Jamaican expression for today is Helan powder house. What do you think Helan powder house mean? Alright, I'm gonna use it in a I'm gonna use it in a sentence and then a Jamaican sentence and Jamaican patois sentence, and you'll probably get it. Alright, if I said, when me come home, me I go have Helan powder house.
You're gonna argue. Gonna fight.
Right. Yes, we're gonna have a confrontation, an argument. Helan powder house means to have an argument. Good job. What's the French expression for today?
Oh, soup au lait.
Soup au lait, milk soup.
Yeah.
Okay, that was easy.
Somebody that is soup au lait. What it means?
Oh, somebody that is soup au lait. Somebody who is soft.
No.
No?
No. Somebody that can change his behavior, his mood, like in a split second.
Okay,
You're happy,
I get it.
you're sad. Want to go out? You want to stay home watching TV?
Soup au lait.
Soup au lait.
Alright, I get it. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. I'm looking at my baby on the camera. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.